let us try to create another campaign in the same sales goal section. Okay, so once we go here, so click on the plus button. Okay, we can try a new campaign under the sales campaign goal. Okay, so there is something called a discovery ad. Okay, discovery ads basically will help us to reach our required audience through different Google's products like YouTube, Gmail, and other platforms. Okay, so the simplest way of creating advertisement. Okay, so you can use this option to show there is a separate option to run a Gmail campaign, YouTube campaign, but when you create through this particular discovery option, okay, so this particular advertisement campaign will show our content, okay, in different Google's own products. Okay, that will help us to increase the visibility of your advertisements. Okay, so there was an option under the sales campaign creation. Okay, under the video, not even video. Okay, so under the image advertisement campaign creation or display campaign. Okay, by creating a display campaign under the sales goal, we had an option to create a Gmail campaign. We had an option to create a campaign under YouTube. But now, when you create this advertisement will show on YouTube. It will show on Google. Other platforms and products that is owned by Google also. Okay. So sales discovery is what it is having. So let it be like as it is. Let me name it as a discovery ad. Okay. So the next option is like enter your location, your country, whichever you want to target. Okay, then your language. So this is basically the setting up of an advertisement using an expert method, expert mode. Okay, so we have something called bidding. Okay, what you want to focus on. Okay, it's talking about the conversions. If you want, it is because this campaign goal that I have selected is a conversion. The default bidding strategy is taken as conversions here. I mean, like our goal is sales. The default bidding category is taken as a conversion here. Okay, so the conversion action is taken. If you want, you can restrict your advertisement with the conversion cost per click at an average of, let me say, around some 100 rupees to 200 rupees. Okay, so it says a typical CPA for discovery campaign is 780. My God, do you want to purchase a lead at 780 rupees? Anyways, that is what it is, suggesting. Okay, so we are trying to create this one because we are creating this advertisement campaign right now to practice. But when we are doing it in real time, okay, it is not required to spend this much amount of time. We can, work along with the different combination of the content and make sure that we come out with quality information. Okay, so this is one. So you choose your bidding. Okay, the budget, daily budget. Let me say somewhere around 1,000 rupees. Okay, just a sample. If you want, you can give budget of your choice. Okay, so creating an ad group. So this is basically a uh, advertisement campaign to be used inside a Gmail and other platform. So we have to define audience. This is not going to be a campaign of search network. Okay, this is going to be a campaign of display or a campaign of interest based content. So we should name the campaign ad group as your choice. Okay, let me say DMC is what I will be naming it. Okay, you can name it based on your choice. Okay, come down and select the audience, which talks about the edit targeted audience. Okay, so you can select who are the people who might be interested. People who are interested in employment, education, business services, web designing and development. They might be interested in learning digital marketing. So I'm selecting my audience. You can select your audience too by searching here. For example, digital marketing course, and this is going to suggest me what are all the topics related to digital marketing. So open online classes, business education, okay, family, early childhood education. So it depends, you need to select your category. Okay, or you go to the browse option and select what people are actually looking for. Okay, your custom audiences, how they have interacted with the businesses, combined list. Okay, if they have come to your website again and again, you can select all these options. So there are several options that we can choose, but based on our target audience, we need to decide how to create and have one. Okay, so we define this. Approximately the audience says you will have approximately 1760 percentage of reach, which means that you will be having more reach is what is talking about. Okay, so age, gender, so set up your demographics information. which age you want to show, okay, which gender you want to show, and the status of their marriage, parental status. Okay, we can decide from this. And finally, create your ad. Okay, so discovery ad, which means carousel means adding more than one image is what is a carousel is. Okay, so you can click on the carousel ad, add more than one image. You click on the discovery ad, you will be adding only one image inside. Okay, so when you are adding carousel, you are adding more images, which means like there will be images showing one after another separately. Okay, so final URL, where does your people want to go? So enter your final URL, especially when you are selling a product or when you are offering a specific content or services. Make sure that you give the URL of the specific product, not the homepage like this. For example, amudhakumar.com/, let me say SEO-training. I don't have a page like that, but still SEO-training.html. Okay, which means if I'm offering a SEO training, I will be giving the landing page for the SEO training that will be more useful, more relevant. Okay, I will not be using the generic page of the home page. Okay, so this is one. So whatever I add, if I have an image to add, I go, it will automatically try to scan, but the page is not available, so it is not scanning. Then let me go through my amudhakumar.com home page to scan this. No assets found on this one. Okay, no website is not right. Amudhakumar.com. Okay, so there are lots of images coming in. I can go ahead and choose any one of the image. I choose this image as a logo here. Okay, so I use it as a logo. Okay, now this is done. So this will be used as a logo. Okay, and this will be used as a promotional content or image advertisement. So it will not work out for these two sizes. Okay, so image size is very important. Okay, so I select one. Okay, so I will save this. Okay, now based on these two images, it is going to show me the preview. Okay, here. Okay, so I have this image, I have one more image here. Okay, so based on the image that I have given here, so this is going to talk about the advertisement to other people. So you see my logo is here as a business name nearby. Okay, so images is there. I want to add further more images, 1:1 and other stuff. So I can try to click on this edit button and add more images from my computer also, or I can use the images which I recently used. Okay, I can use this image. Okay, so this is not perfectly fitting in, so I will not use this. So back to results. Okay, I will try to choose a different image here. Okay, let me try to choose the image that best fits. Okay, let us try this. Okay, so this will be perfect fitting for this one and also for this. Okay, so I have two images being created. Okay, so select two ratios. Now Google is having more option to use these images here. So I have one image, two image, and three image. Okay, because Google is going to show my advertisement to several places. Okay, so what I'm going to do, headline, I'm going to talk about online digital marketing course. Okay, so now look this advertisement preview along with headline, online digital marketing course, or if you want to say specifically Amudha Kumar's online digital marketing course, or you can make it as Amudha Kumar's online digital marketing training. The character limit is only 40. Okay, so you can be very generic like online digital marketing course. We have a second headline, okay, where you can say right 100% practical and online mentorship program. Okay, so 44 characters are there. Okay, instead of and I will put the symbol and symbol here, so I can add more characters. Okay, I need mentorship program for sure. So I will say instead of 100%, I will say like practical and online mentorship program because I'm limited by the characters. Okay, so headline 2. Okay, now I can put headline 3. So like this, I can add headline 4, headline 5. So whenever I keep adding a headline and extra, okay, it will automatically show my advertisement to other people. So this is how it will look like. Okay, it will show to other people. Okay, this is basically the discovered advertisement. So it will show on Gmail, it will show on other websites also. I can go out and see how does this show in a computer. Okay, so this is how it will show on YouTube. Okay, on computers. So they have all properties here. Okay, how it will show on YouTube is what we can see. Gmail, it will appear in more places on all support added. Okay, how does it will show on Gmail? Okay, so inside Gmail, when people open it, it will how it will show. Okay, discover. Okay, only appear on computers via Gmail. Okay, but when I go to mobile phone, okay, let me try in Gmail. This is how it looks like in Gmail, and this is how it looks like inside YouTube. Okay, and also this is how it will look like in all the properties. So which means, so this is basically a sales campaign, okay, which is called as or discovery advertisement. So you simply have to fill your advertisement and everything. So go click on create a campaign. Okay, so you will have your sales goal campaign created with the discovery option. Okay, so like this, we have a different advertisement types. What we have done right now is we tried to create an advertisement campaign on each and every type under the sales goal. Okay,